Today we'll talk about how can you join to existing uh, class on your Reming app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on add class, you just click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on join existing class, so you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Add here code you have, or enter your class code here, then it's going to search for your class. Then can you join to your class. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.